Hello, Rally fans. I'm now testing in Estonia, and I'm really looking forward to Rally Estonia, and I will push as much as possible in there. So hope to see you soon there, and let's keep in touch. Yeah, that is one of my target for this year, Rally Estonia. Try to push as much as possible, and of course, at the end of the rally, I want to be on podium, but it's never easy. But just try to push and to see where I can be, and for sure I will be enjoy more than last year. Yeah, actually, kind of temperature. It's quite hot, so good preparing for Kenya. But looks like Kenya going to be raining a lot, so I don't know. This is good for Kenya or not, but at least I feel very good feeling in the car on the Estonian road, so it's be nice. Yeah, for me feels good and okay, back on like very smooth gravel, which is I really like, and for me it's very familiar road. And of course, like character of tires, it's different as compared to what we had the last year, but still grip is there and the feels good. So we just trying to find a light setup for the tires and light driving style also. Yeah, he loves some animals maybe. Oh, no, he's joking. And yeah, he will go. I think tomorrow with me to Kenya already. And yeah, now we are doing testing most of. Okay, last two rallies also I'm doing with Keaton Williams. He has been WRC 3 this year also, and yeah, he's helping us for the schedule wise and everything because Dan also quite busy. So it's yeah, he's very nice co-driver also. 皆さんこんにちは、勝田高本です。今はエストニアでラリーエストニアに向けてのテストをしています。ラリーエストニアは非常に楽しみなラリーなので全開でプッシュしていいリザルトを得られるように頑張りたいと思います。これからも応援よろしくお願いします。